Hey everybody, I'm Tim Mehta, lead digital strategist here at DesignZillas, and today I want to talk to everyone about SEO. If you use SEM Rush, which is a really powerful SEO tool, this will be extra helpful for you. If you don't, might get you interested in using it. What we're going to talk about specifically is a pain point that a lot of people don't even realize are happening. So whenever you look at your search rankings, either when you go to Google on your desktop, on your phone, or even if you go incognito and Google your keywords that you want to rank for and see where you're at, you're actually going to get a wide variety of different results of where you're actually ranked. So the reason for that is because if you're using a device that has specifically been to your site before, it's going to favor where that website, your website, is ranking when you search. Now, when you use incognito, then what happens is that it takes away all of your search history, but it still takes into factor your location, which also affects the results of your ranking on Google search. So the best way to kind of figure out, how am I ranking in the U.S. total, or how am I ranking in these specific locations, is to use position tracking in the projects on SEM Rush. Now, I'm pretty sure this is a pretty new feature that they added, but it's super helpful, and I know it's something that we've actually requested from them through their help center. So they're also pretty responsive to requests, which is awesome. But essentially, what we want to figure out is, especially for local businesses, or if your business only serves or provides products to a certain area, you want to know when people search for you there, how are you ranking versus if they search for you from anywhere in the States, right? So we're going to use ourselves as an example here. And if you look here, we have our position tracking for ourselves. And of course, this is all the keywords down here. But what if someone is searching for us in Orlando, which is essentially our main area of servicing? Right now, we have it set, you can see here, as device and location. So that's another different factor, is your actual device. If you're searching from your desktop, you actually might get different results than if you were searching from your mobile, regardless if you were in the same area or if you've been to the site or not. So that's kind of a cool thing to be able to have a more personalized search results. But for the people trying to rank, it could definitely be super frustrating. But SEM Rush has finally made it a little bit easier to see how you're ranking depending upon location and device. Beforehand, you'd have to create new projects, which is kind of a pain, for every single device and every single location that you wanted to look at your ranking for. But now, you can actually go to this drop down here and simply add a new device and location within the same project. So go ahead and we just click there and it pulls up all the things we wanted to look at. So we want to look at US, but we want to know what's going on here in Florida. And like I mentioned before, specifically, the area in which we're servicing the most, Orlando. Right? And then we have our language and we have our device. And then the only downside to this is I'm not sure exactly if it adds to your keyword count or not, but I'm pretty sure it does. But you have to go ahead and add the keywords again. So in order to do this, you just go ahead and click on select the source where you want to add the keywords from. You can use the same project. Oh, I already have the same location. So let's do mobile. Right? So we want to know in Orlando, people searching their mobile devices, how are we ranking for the keywords we want to be ranking for? So let's go ahead and choose SEM Rush again. Now let's choose our keywords from this source. And it's as easy as saying add to the sandbox. So it'll take all those keywords that we're already tracking, throw them in there, add it to the project. Now let's start tracking this device and location. So now we have a much more personalized view and accurate view, really, of what people are seeing or how we are ranking when an individual in Orlando searches these keywords from their mobile device. And that's it for today. Thanks. If you have any questions, shoot us an email, visit our website. Thanks again to SEM Rush as well for providing such a helpful tool. And you guys have a good day.